The procedure shown in this video is based on installing a rack latch with a VGA connector. The procedure is similar for the rack latch with I/O ports. Route the VGA cable through the notch on the chassis. Place the rack latch onto the mounting pin and slide it about 1/8 of an inch toward the rear of the server. Secure the rack latch to the server chassis with 2 screws. Align the cable retainer with the mounting holes. Install 2 screws to secure the cable retainer. Route the VGA cable into the cable guides. Connect the cable to the system board. If there is an ID label on the replaced rack latch, carefully transfer it to the new rack latch. Note the orientation of the air baffle. Lower the air baffle tabs into the chassis notches. Connect the RAID supercapacitor module cable to its corresponding RAID adapter cable. Before you install the top cover, ensure that all components are installed and seated correctly. Lower the top cover onto the chassis. Pivot the cover latch down and ensure that all clips are engaged.